Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add someone on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. I'm going to open up WhatsApp and I'm going to be brought to the chat page. On the top right corner, you'll see a blue plus sign. We're going to click on that. And now we're going to click on New Contact. Now type in their first and last name and their phone number and make sure you choose the country that they're in. And then on the top right corner, you'll click Save. Now, when you click Save, you'll be able to find them here and you can type in their name and they should pop up. Now, if this option doesn't work, you need to invite them to WhatsApp because they don't have WhatsApp. So now on the bottom right corner where you see settings, we're going to click on that, scroll down to click on Tell a Friend. And now we're going to share link. And now you can share a WhatsApp link on iMessages, on Snapchat, via email. I'm going to copy the link and then go to my messages. And then I can, click on anybody and send them that link. And now they will get a WhatsApp link. They could sign through WhatsApp and then they'll be able to communicate with you through WhatsApp. So thank you for watching and have a great day.